There was a frog. Looks pretty cool, huh? But very irritating. It considers itself a great singer. A frog singing? This was every day, all night long. The animals around tried every possible way to prevent it from croaking. But the crazy frog would never give up. One day, there came a beautiful nightingale with a lovely voice. The nightingale attracted all the animals around. They were glad to hear such a lovely, melodious voice after so much of croaking. What a lovely voice! The former singer, the frog, was left alone. It became sad and grew pale. The furious frog, to get back its position on the stage, it made a sketch. With full planning, it approached the nightingale and offered a deal, to which the nightingale consented. The deal was about making the bird a star, which in turn she should follow the frog. With vigorous training and performances, day after day and show after shows, the nightingale became famous and the upcoming star. The frog earned a lot from the bird and her performances, but he scolded her every day for better billings. With so much pressure from the teacher, and the nightingale was crushed inside and burst a vein and died. The frog washed away his hands off from her death by saying it was her fault. She did not listen to me. She was a stupid creature. And again the frog resumed his career, and it came to the first. The same annoying voice journeyed through the surroundings. This was a beautiful poem written by Vikram Seth, portraying the character of human beings through animals. Thank you.